Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to build in Fortnite. So first of all, hop onto Fortnite and then we will take a look at the settings first to see if you have everything set up right so you can build as efficiently and fast as possible. So let's go into these settings right here, go into this gear symbol, then click on the gear symbol again, scroll down to the building section. And here we have some choices. So you want to have reset building choice on, you want to have disable created option off, you want to turn turbo building on, this one's very important, and auto confirm edits you can choose. We talked about that in another video on how to edit. So these building settings are important. Then let's check your building keybinds. Let's scroll down to building again. I don't have optimal keybinds, but we'll discuss what keybinds will be optimal. So ideally when you're building, you don't want to move your fingers off of WASD. So you want to have your fingers on WASD so you have full range of movement while you're building. And then you want to use your thumb or pinky finger or your thumb on your mouse to build. So if you have mouse side buttons, this is great. Put your keybinds so you can do wall and stair on your, or floor and roof on your mouse side buttons if you have two. Try to stick to two. Also, if you have more, just leave it at two. Do two mouse side buttons, wall and stair, or floor and roof, because you use these buildings together a lot. So pair these. Don't do random pairs if you can. Put that on your side mouse buttons, and then you have two left for your keyboard. Here I recommend putting it on your pinky. So if you don't use shift or if you don't use control, then use those. If you are comfortable with using your thumb on your keyboard for something else than space, which I personally couldn't, then you can use V and C, for example, for the rest of the two keybinds you need. So C and V with your thumb, that way your movement isn't affected. Or if you really don't like doing that and you have your pinky already in use, then I would recommend going for something you can press quickly with your ring finger. So try Q and tab, for example, or try tab and caps lock. Those are some keybinds you can quickly press moving away from A, and that'll still be fast enough. Or if you have something open on your pointer finger, then use R and F, for example. The important thing is that you can press it quick, it's easy to press, it's comfortable for you, and that's the most important things. So try to keep that in mind when you're choosing your optimal keybinds. And now let's hop into this creative map and work on some building. While we're loading in, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. That helps us out a lot and we can keep making these videos. And if you have any questions or if there's any other video that you'd like to see in the future, just comment down below. We have a whole team ready to answer your questions, and I'm happy to make any videos you'd like to see in the future. Now just get a grappler and we'll head on over here to have some space to build around. So there's 4 main building things you can try out. Starting with the stair, just try to build around a bit, you can ramp up a bit. Then the wall. Then you can connect the floor to a wall, for example, and make it protect you from the top, where you can place it below you as well. And lastly, we have the cone. Those are the 4 building things we can place together. Now we'll go over some important scenarios or some strategies you can work on if you're trying to get used to your new keybinds. So first of all, we have the ramp brush. So we do a stair and a wall behind it. Make sure to look up for the stair, place it down, then run up, and place a wall once you're in the middle of the stair. Then you keep doing this, look up, and then to the middle for the wall. Keep building up this way. Once you got that down and you can sprint up this way, you can add a floor. So you do stair, look down for the floor, then you do a wall, and then you do it all over again. Stair, floor, and wall. This helps you practice 3 of your keybinds. That's why this is really good. Then if you want to practice the cone, that's the only one we left out now. You can do something like this. Stair and then cone on top. Here it's just important, look up for the stair again, and look at the top half of the stair to place the cone. And then you just edit through. So you just select one tile here, the cone will break, and you can keep going up that way. You can also add a floor right here later on, and then you just have to edit through both. This is a bit harder then. So that's what I recommend. Starting off with, do some ramp rushes like this. That's how you can start a fight off in a normal game. And if you want to build up protectedly, this ramp with the cone on top is really useful. Have fun practicing.